Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you will be see the best design of tattoo for boys, which are the best design and are trending right now. If you want to see design of a small tattoo, then you will find them in my video. By watching this video, you will get a lot of ideas and you will not have to think much about which design to get made. If you are new to my channel and you like my channel, then subscribe my channel so that you can get notification when my new videos are uploaded. Stay on video, do not skip, otherwise you will not be able to see the latest tattoo designs. This video is going to be very helpful for you. I have told you about the heavy tattoo. Nowadays boys like to get heavy tattoo more. I have told you a lot of design as per their choice. is going to be very important for all of you. All types of designs will be told to you according to everyone's choice. I have also told you about a tattoo of God, which if you get it made on your hand, it will look very nice. Seeing your design, your friends will also get it made like you. In future too, I will bring you many design of tattoo which you will like very much. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it. Share this video as much as possible so everyone can vibe my video. Hope you like this video. See you with new videos. Thanks for watching my video.